Welcome to Session 10. This one looks like the easiest session in the course and quietly costs more marks than almost any other. The reason is a single idea most people never get told. Square units do not convert the way regular units do. First rule: area formulas need compatible units. If a rectangle is 3 feet long and 18 inches wide, you cannot multiply 3 by 18 and stick a unit on the end. That number means nothing. Convert first. 3 feet is 36 inches, so 36 times 18 is 648 square inches. Or convert the other way. 18 inches is 1.5 feet, so the area is 4.5 square feet. Both agree. 4.5 times 144 is 648. So here's the heart of it. Why 144? 1 foot is 12 inches in each direction. So a square foot is a 12-inch by 12-inch square, 144 square inches. The factor gets squared because area has 2 dimensions. Same with yards. 1 yard is 3 feet, so 1 square yard is 9 square feet. Saying 1 square foot equals 12 square inches treats an area like a single length. You have 2 valid routes. Method A: convert every length first, then compute the area. Method B: compute the area in the units given, then apply the squared factor. A 6 by 4 foot rug is 24 square feet. Method B: 24 times 144 is 3,456. Method A: 72 by 48 inches. Which way? Multiply or divide? Reason about the size of the unit. Going to a smaller square unit, the number gets bigger because more small squares fit in the same region. Multiply by 144. Going to a larger unit, the number shrinks, so divide. 720 square inches over 144 is 5 square feet. If your answer explodes while moving to a bigger unit, you multiplied by mistake. Metric follows the same rule, with friendlier numbers. 1 meter is 100 centimeters, so 1 square meter is 100 squared, 10,000 square centimeters. A 2.5 square meter banner is 25,000 square centimeters. Here's the trap in the wild. A countertop is 8 feet long and 30 inches deep. Find its area in square feet. The tempting move is 8 times 30, 240. That's meaningless. It's feet multiplied by inches, which isn't an area unit at all. Convert the depth. 30 inches is 2.5 feet. 8 times 2.5 is 20 square feet. 20, not 240. And the classic. Carpet is sold by the square yard. A room 15 by 12 is 180 square feet. Divide by 9, not 3. 180 over 9 is 20 square yards. At $27.50 a yard, that's $550. Dividing by 3 gives 60, and you'd order 3 times too much carpet. One last tool for when the direction feels uncertain. Let the units cancel. Write the conversion factor as a fraction equal to 1 and square it. 6 square feet times 12 inches over 1 foot, all squared, gives 864 square inches. Squaring the fraction cancels both copies of feet. The units tell you whether the setup is right. Your turn. How many square inches are in 1 square foot? A foot is 12 inches, so a square foot is 12 by 12, 144, not 12. Let's recap. Make all lengths share a unit before you multiply. Square unit conversions square the factor. 1 square foot is 144 square inches. 1 square yard is 9 square feet. 1 square meter is 10,000 square centimeters. Smaller unit means a bigger number. And let the units cancel to check your setup. Great work on Session 10. Units are where careful people pull ahead. Next session, real-world problems. Coverage, waste, and cost. See you there.